Hello student, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from LPM School, Gola, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, light chapter is going on and the numerical based on this chapter light, the reflection of light. It means the numerical based on mirror is going on. So as you can see, there is a numerical problem. You can see on board. So I am going to solve it. You have to see clearly. Okay. So a truck uses a convex mirror. As you know, in a vehicle, to see behind the mirror uses convex mirror. Okay, so a truck uses a convex mirror as viewfinder whose radius of curvature is 2 meters. Convex has a rear view and the radius of curvature of mirror is 2 meters. A Maruti car is coming behind the truck at a distance of 10 meters. What will be the position of image of the car and size of the image of car when observed by the driver of truck through the convex mirror? So in this question, a car moving behind a truck and the truck driver wanted to see behind the truck. So you know, convex mirror used as a rear view to see behind the vehicle. So in this question we have to find what is the distance of car from truck and what is the size of car that is viewed by the truck driver. So in this question, we have given that radius of curvature of mirror, it means r equal to 2 meters. As you know, the focal length of the concave mirror is positive, so r equal to 2 meters. So f equal to r by 2. It means 2 upon 2 equal to 1 meter. Second value given, behind the mirror at distance 10 meter. Car coming behind the truck at the distance 10 meter. It means this is position of object. So u equal to 10 meter. This is the position of object. So this will be negative. Focal length will be positive because the focal length of mirror is positive, but this is negative. So we have to find what is V. So we can find easily what is V by using mirror formula. One upon U plus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon V, the value of F 1 meter and the value of U minus 10. It means 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 10. So 1 upon V is equal to 10 LCM, 10 plus 1, so 11 upon 10. So V is equal to 10 upon 11. This is the position of image or can write 0.9 meter. This is the position of image behind the truck. If you want to find the size, as you know the formula for size, m equal to minus v upon u, and the value of u 10.11. Use fractional value because it is easier to solve. So minus 10 upon 11, and the value of v is minus 10. Minus minus positive. So this 10 cancel between 1 upon 11. So m equal to 1 upon 11. This is positive. It means image is erect. And 1 upon times is smaller than object. Okay, so the position of image is at 0.9 meter, and the magnification is plus 1 upon 11. It means the image is erect. We can see the car in erect position, and that is 1 upon 11. It means the car is smaller than object. Okay, I hope you understand. We can draw the ray diagram for it. So if you want to see, you can discuss about the ray diagram. Let this is convex mirror. Let the position of car in front of mirror. This is car in front of mirror. This is car. This is the convex mirror fixed in truck, and this is car behind the truck. So a ray of light start from a point corner of car. As you know, after reflection it gets divergent. So when we draw in backward position, it intersect at focus. This is F. Let another ray incident on the pole, and after reflection pass through the same path. Then when we produce backward, so this intersect at this point. So this is the point where the image is obtained. It means at this point the image is obtained of car. This is image of car. This is object car, and this is image of car. So by the ray diagram you can understood the car is smaller than object, smaller and erect, and this is virtual. This is the characteristic of image. So I hope you understood. So you have to try more numerical based on this concept. So now I am going to explain the second question given on board. As you can see, this is second question. An object placed 20 centimeter in front of a mirror. This is mirror. I don't know about that. And this is convex or concave. Is found to have an image 15 centimeter. This is the value of V. In front of it and behind the mirror. Find the focal length of mirror and the kind of mirror in each case. This is value of U. So we can solve it. So by using concave mirror, in case first, when the image obtained in front of mirror, case first, image in front of mirror. As you know, when image obtained in front of mirror, then image is real. It means this is real image. And for real image, U and V both are negative. It means U equal to -20 and V equal to -15 centimeter. This is the object distance and this is image distance. Okay. So by using mirror formula, mirror formula 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. This is mirror formula. So by putting value, V is -15 and U -20. So minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20. 1 upon F equal to minus 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 20 by taking minus common. So you can solve 60 LCM. When 60 divided by 15 is 4. When 60 divided by 20 it is 3. So the value of F 1 upon F equal to 7 upon 60. So F equal to 60 upon 7. Okay. So value divide 60 by 7 is 8.5. Okay. So this is the focal length is plus 8.5 centimeter. Clear? This is positive. What is the meaning of this positive sign? This positive sign means that this is this negative is remain. You have to see. It means this negative will come, and this negative, it means minus 8.5. Okay, because you have to take this negative sign. This negative sign is common. When you solve it, it is 7 upon 60 and f equal to minus 60 upon 7. It means minus 8.5 will come. Okay, understood? So what is the nature? What is the nature of this lens? Anybody can guess? This is a concave mirror. It means the nature of, because we have to find the kind, focal length and kind. So kind is, this is concave of focal length, concave mirror. This is concave mirror of focal length f equal to 60 upon 7 centimeter. Clear? Now the second part, behind the mirror. Now we have to discuss when image obtained behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. So when image obtained behind the mirror, you know, in this case the image is virtual. This image is virtual. As you know, when your image behind the mirror, in this case image is virtual, so u is 20 centimeter, but v is equal to plus 15 centimeter. I hope you have no doubt with this value. Okay, so in this case we have to find the focal length 1 upon f by using concave mirror, or by using the formula for mirror, by using mirror formula. One upon f, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. V is 1 upon 15 and u is minus 20. So 1 upon f equal to 1 upon 15 plus, this is positive sign, the value of V 1 upon 50 positive sign, and the value of U is 1 upon 20, which means minus 1 upon 20. Clear? So 1 upon F, the LCM of 50 and 20 centimeter is 60. So 5 for the 60 and 23 the 60. Clear? So 1 upon F equal to 1 upon 60. So F equal to 60. But in this case F is positive. So focal length plus 60 centimeter. But what is the nature? Nature means kind. What is the kind of mirror? You can say nature or kind. This is focal length is positive. It means this is convex mirror. I hope you understand. This is a convex mirror. So you have to try the more numerical based on this concept, and tomorrow I will start refraction of light. Thank you very much.